In this video, I will be showing you how to sign up for Grok. Let's get started. First, I open my web browser and click on the URL address bar at the top of the screen. I type in Grok and press enter to search for it on Google. Once the search results load, I look for the main link for Grok and click on it. This takes me directly to the official Grok.com homepage. A cookie consent banner pops up at the bottom right corner of the screen, and I click the Accept All Cookies button to close it. Now, I navigate to the top right corner of the homepage and click on the Sign Up button to begin creating my account. The page redirects me to the XAI Sign Up screen, which gives me several options to create an account. Now, I choose my preferred method by clicking the Sign Up with Google button near the bottom of the list. A new window opens asking me to choose a Google account to continue to XAI. I click on my primary email address, Diane May. Next, a screen appears showing what information Google will share with XAI, including my name, profile picture, and email address. I click the Continue button at the bottom right to proceed. The browser displays a quick redirecting message while it processes the login, and then it reloads back to the main Grok interface. The dashboard fully loads, revealing the menu options on the left side and a prompt box in the center that says, "What do you want to know?" I click inside the prompt bar and type out a sample request. Recommend 10 books that can help improve communication skills and explain why each one is worth reading. To submit my message, I click the black arrow button on the right side of the input bar. A prompt immediately appears in the middle of the screen asking me to confirm my age. The default year shown is 2000, so I click into the field, delete it, type in my actual birth year, 2002, and click the Continue button. A final confirmation box appears stating my birth year is 2002 and reminding me that it cannot be changed later, so I click the Save button. The page reloads back to my dashboard, where it shows a summary of my requested prompt. Grok begins generating the answer, displaying a brief status message that says, "Working for 1 second, then, working for 2 seconds, and, working for 3 seconds, as it pulls top communication books from the web. Within a few seconds, the complete list is generated right on my screen. I scroll down through the response to read the fully detailed recommendations, which include book titles, summaries, and explanations for why each one is worth reading. Everything is properly set up, and my new Grok account is fully ready to use. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.